Causes of belief in the perfection of wisdom. Sariputra said, Bodhisattvas who are reborn there, and who will here resolutely believe in this deep perfection of wisdom, without hesitation, doubt, or stupefaction, where have they deceased, and for how long have they practiced? They who will follow the doctrine of this perfection of wisdom, understand its meaning, and instruct others in it both by the method which shows the meaning and by the method which shows the doctrine? The Lord said, One should know that such a bodhisattva is reborn here after he has deceased in other world systems, where he has honored and questioned the Buddhas, the Lords. Any bodhisattva who, after he has deceased in other world systems, where he has honored and questioned the Buddhas, the Lords, is reborn here, would, when he hears this deep perfection of wisdom being taught, identify this perfection of wisdom with the teacher, and be convinced that he is face to face with the teacher, that he has seen the teacher. When the perfection of wisdom is being taught, he listens attentively, pays respect to it before he hears it, and does not cut the story short. Such a bodhisattva should be known as one who has practiced for long, who has honored many Buddhas. Subhuti asked, Is it at all possible to hear the perfection of wisdom, to distinguish and consider her, to make statements and to reflect about her? Can one explain or learn that because of certain attributes, tokens, or signs, this is the perfection of wisdom, or that here is the perfection of wisdom, or that there that is the perfection of wisdom? The Lord said, No, indeed, Subhuti. This perfection of wisdom cannot be expounded, or learned, or distinguished, or considered, or stated, or reflected upon by means of the skandhas, or by means of the elements, or by means of the sense fields. This is a consequence of the fact that all dharmas are isolated, absolutely isolated. Nor can the practice of wisdom be understood otherwise than by the skandhas, elements, or sense fields. For just the very skandhas, elements, and sense fields are empty, isolated, and calmly quiet. It is thus that the perfection of wisdom and the skandhas, elements, and sense fields are not two, nor divided. As a result of their emptiness, isolatedness, and quietude, they cannot be apprehended. The lack of a basis of apprehension in all dharmas, that is called perfect wisdom. Where there is no perception, appellation, conception, or conventional expression, there one speaks of perfection of wisdom. Subhuti said, As one who has practiced for how long should that bodhisattva be known who makes endeavors about this deep perfection of wisdom? The Lord said, One must make a distinction in this, owing to the unequal endowment of different bodhisattvas.